Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Wondering how to access cPanel email directly? You've come to the right place. Whether you're checking your business emails or keeping up with personal messages, getting straight into your cPanel email without any fuss is a breeze. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps in a simple and fun way so you can stay connected and organized with ease. Let's dive in and get those emails flowing directly to you. The first option of accessing your cPanel email directly is accessing via webmail. To access your cPanel email directly via webmail, follow these steps. Using the cPanel interface, log into your cPanel account using the provided URL and your hosting account credentials. Once in the cPanel dashboard, locate the Email Accounts section, typically found under the Email category. From the Email Accounts section, click on the webmail icon or link. cPanel supports multiple webmail clients, including Roundcube, Horde, and Squirrel Mail. The specific client you see will depend on your hosting provider's configuration. In the webmail interface, enter your full email address in the username or email field. Enter the password you set when creating the email account. Click the Login or Sign In button to access your email inbox. Setting preferences and configurations in webmail. Once logged in, you can customize your webmail settings and preferences like this. 1. Update your account information such as name and signature. 2. Configure email forwarding or autoresponders. 3. Manage your inbox, including creating folders and filters. 4. Compose and send emails directly from the webmail interface. The specific options available will vary depending on the webmail client used, but they generally provide a user-friendly way to manage your cPanel email directly from the web browser. The second option is accessing cPanel email via email client. To access your cPanel email directly using an email client, follow these steps. 1. Choosing an email client. Popular email clients include Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, and Apple Mail. Using an email client offers several benefits over accessing email through a webmail interface. They include offline access to your email, advanced features like calendars, contacts, and task management, and ability to use email protocols like IMAP or POP3 for better email management. To configure your email client to access your cPanel email, you'll need the following information. Your full email address, for example, your email at your domain.com. The password for your email account. The incoming mail server, typically mail.your-domain.com. The incoming mail server port, 143 for IMAP or 110 for POP3. The outgoing mail server, typically mail.your-domain.com. The outgoing mail server port, 587 for SMTP. With this information, you can follow the step-by-step guides provided by your email client's documentation to set up the account. The third and last option is accessing cPanel email on mobile devices. To access your cPanel email directly on mobile devices, you can use popular email apps like Gmail or Outlook Mobile. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to configure your cPanel email on iOS and Android devices. To configure the email on iOS devices, open the Settings app on your iOS device. Tap on Mail in the Settings menu. Tap on Accounts and then Add Account. Select Other as the account type. Tap on Add Mail Account. Enter your name, email address, password, and a description for the account. Select IMAP as the account type, which is recommended. Enter the following settings. 1. For incoming mail server, host name is mail.your-domain.com. Username as your email address at your-domain.com and your email password. 2. For outgoing mail server, enter host name, username, and password. Tap Next and verify the settings. Tap Save to complete the setup. To configure the email on Android devices, open the Settings app on your Android device. Tap on Accounts and then Add Account. Select Personal, IMAP, POP as the account type. Enter your email address and password. Then tap Manual Setup. Select IMAP account as the account type. Enter the following settings. Username as your email address at your domain.com. Your email password IMAP server as mail.your-domain.com. Security type as SSL TLS port as 993. Tap Next. Enter the following settings for the outgoing server. SMTP server as mail.your-domain.com. Security type as SSL, TLS port as 465, require sign-in on. Tap Next and verify the settings. Tap Finish Setup to complete the configuration. With these steps, you can easily access your cPanel email directly from your mobile device using popular email apps. Remember to use the correct incoming and outgoing server settings, as well as your full email address and password for authentication. By following these steps, you can easily access your cPanel email directly and manage your communications effectively. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, ciao.